All right, well, we've had a couple shop vacs die here in the last, I don't know, a couple weeks. So the one we use in our CNC machine and also the one that we use over here, kind of around a sanding station, clamp rack, and it's just become this junk pile without the shop vac holding it down. So we're gonna build a cart to replace that over here. And I've got a whole bunch of stuff that I bought at Home Depot. Basically, what I wanna do is see how this dust stopper works by collecting most of the dust and chips and shavings before it goes into the shop vac, see if we can get things to last a little bit longer, and probably find a place to put some more of our cordless tools and a little bit better clamp storage over there. So anyway, that's the project, and I'm gonna show you how it goes. All right, all done. Took less than a day to design it, build it, put it all together, and install it here. If you like the plans, I'd be happy to share. It's as simple of design as I could possibly come up with without leaving anything out that I really wanted. So yeah, leave me a comment. I'd be happy to send them your way. Like, subscribe. See you next time. Thanks.